Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened with our bull rally here that we were looking for since days, right? Since we were almost in this area here, even after this massive move, we still, of course, not convinced here with something to push for lower, especially that we are inside our base channel. We still, of course, we didn't broke our base channel, and we start to see a signal of strength here, and that means, of course, very likely that we push for higher prices. Now it can be, of course, a corrective wave, still that it can be, of course, an A, B, and a C here, and we're looking as a priority right now for wave 5 here as an expanding diagonal. The expanding diagonal has to be a zigzag A, B, and a C here. And we are expecting, of course, the following targets: 77k, 81k, of course, and around this blue box to be hit. Currently, on the 15-minute chart, we see, of course, almost a finished impulse there. So almost, of course, where we have already a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 3 there. So we still, of course, having here something to push for higher for NF5, which it might bring us, of course, to our blue zone that we saw already before. So the things are still working perfectly. I see, of course, the highs is still pushing for higher. And yeah, we're looking for a new high definitely here. We're very, very close anyway. And we're looking for the blue zone 77,500. And of course, in the daily, I mentioned is 100k next. That was not a joke or a clickbait. This is, of course, a real scenario that it might be unfolding over there. This is, of course, a 3 ways down, 3 ways up. Regular flat. Regular flat, the minimum target always is 0.7 or 0.9. Which is, of course, around this area, this blue box above the 100k, even 107, 115k can be very likely here as a wave B and a C, of course, regular flat to finish, of course, our bear market in a shallow wave 2, since, you know, we are in a wave 3 over 3. If you go back to the deep analysis that we do every weekend, which is going to be also tomorrow. So we always expect 1, 2 there to be very shallow around the 0.38 fib level, and then starting a bull run, which we expected, of course, to be around the 200k. Yep, so this is regarding this regular flat. Of course, even a new all-time high is also very likely. In case we get very aggressive here with this move toward the upside, it might be, of course, a large wave B taking the all-time high and then pushing down, of course, aggressively again in a wave C, of course, expanding flat, meaning whether regular flat or expanding flat, both will comes back to the same area, and we'll see, of course, something as finished bear market here, and we'll start the bull run, of course. Currently, we're still looking for higher, and of course, the target are not reached yet, and I'm still looking for it around the 77 and the 81, 82k for Bitcoin. And we will take it from there, guys. So that was it for the intraday. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.